Myntri ubadairu Nongkhaii ka UDP uba kirmen shilla ula ong badai ban Pynshitom Tyngeh yakin Nongkhaii Drok-La kidai ke Myntri neki Riew Paidbah. Ula jubab yakin ne halor ka jingsha kentho ha state president ka Congress Vincent Pala Pyrshah ya usembut Myntri rangba uba sniaw bhalang dhar ha ka ba ula kenno ba udon kti ha ki kam Khaii Drok. Ka jingkeno ya unu dokot ka ying dorbar la kidai nakaliang Pyrshah ne nakaliang sensyar kidai bandon ka sakhi satar ka babiang. Haga juga por Nongkhaii kaliang Pyrshah u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulama hamjur bantho sya Myntri rangba du keri halor ka ne ka benta.
Such allegation against any honorable member, either in the opposition or in the ruling, I feel this really is not correct. But still, I believe those people who give this who say all these things that against any honorable member or even the public, I believe they have proof. But Drok is something like which is we can't even think it in our dreams that I will say something against somebody who's not even taking drugs. That is completely a false. Whether it's a false or correct allegation, I don't know it. But I believe that those honorable member or even the public, they have full proof against the deputy CM, which we have seen directly, we can say.